Hey, it's Aaron here, and if you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out this website right here called PollPay, and maybe you're wondering, is this legit? Can you really be rewarded just for taking surveys, submitting receipts, and playing games? Okay, let's check it out. Let's find out if this is legit or if this is a waste of time. Anytime if you want to find out my favorite way to get to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just click the link all the way at the bottom, and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I have reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different ways to make money online. Some of them are really good, some of them are so-so. A lot of them, though, are a big waste of time. So let's check out PollPay to find out whether this is a good use of your time or is it a waste of time, right? Now, PollPay is basically what's called a GPT website, get paid to click, okay? So you can do different things, you can do different tasks for free, and you can make money from it, all right? So let's check this out. This is actually created, this was taken over by another very large company called Inbox Dollars, and they have a very good reputation in the GPT space, okay? So we'll talk about that a little bit more as we go through this, right? So we're going to log in here into Google. I've already logged in. And once you've logged in, the nice thing about PollPay is that it is global. You can join from anywhere in the world, which is really cool. All right. And there are a few different ways that you can make money. Okay. The first way is you could play games and earn, right? So that you can see the gaming section. It's already open up here for me, right? And they're still going through some changes, but basically this is how it works. If you were to play Monopoly Go, it says you can earn up to 7,741 coins. This is basically a gaming offer, all right? So the way it works is, as you hit different levels and milestones in the game, they will give you additional points, right? So let's just say you hit level 5, they might give you 5 points. If you hit level 20, they might give you 100 points. If you hit level 50, they'll give you 1,000 points, right? So that's why it says up to 7,741 coins, because if you reach the different milestones, they'll give you those coins. Now, this is a cool way to earn money, but you have to understand that with the games, it does take a long time, and you have to be pretty good at gaming, to begin with, in order to hit those milestones. Like, so for example, you might be stuck on level 4. You might never reach level 50, if that makes sense, right? But if you're good at gaming and you enjoy it, then these are some of the games that you can play, and you can potentially make quite a lot of money, or a lot of coins, I should say, over here. We'll talk about how much the coins are worth in a second, right? You can convert them into cash, but it might take a long time. I mean, for example, for you to reach the maximum level of Monopoly, it might take you 2 weeks. It might take you a month, right? Because it just takes time for you to play the game and to get to the next stage. And so you can check those out if you want, right? Another way to earn is to fill out surveys. So if we come to the top here, I'm going to click on surveys. And what I recommend that you do with every single new GPT website, you always want to complete your profile. Okay, when you complete your profile, they'll be able to offer you more surveys based on your demographic, based on your interests, your background, what do you like to do for fun, things like that, so they can match the right surveys to you, and they give you 35 coins on top of that, which is pretty cool. All right, now if you want to have a look at the surveys, like for me, a few of them are locked. All right, and what they do is they work with some very large survey companies, and you can see that they don't really offer that much. I mean, it's 90 coins a survey. This one is 170 coins. This one's 155 coins. This one is 90 coins, right? So basically, pretty decent paid surveys right here. But this one right here, this is only 25 cents. Okay, this is over $1. This is 90 cents. You get the idea, right? But usually when they really unlock, you'll see that on average, most surveys will pay between 25 to 50 coins. So it's about 25 cents to 50 cents, which is pretty standard for surveys. All right. Now, occasionally, you will get these nice ones like 155 and 117, but they're just showing this right now because they want to entice you to come in and fill the surveys. But once you're actually filled out your profile and they're unlocked, most of them will be quite low, 20 cents, 30 cents, 40 cents, 50 cents. That's just how GPT sites work. Okay, and then another thing that you can do as well is you can download offers. All right, so if I go to the all offer section, all right, unfortunately you're going to see that there are no offers available right now, and that's because PollPay has just been taken over by Inbox Dollars. So PollPay used to be run by another company previously. Inbox Dollars is a much better GPT website company. So I am sure that over the next few weeks, this will change, and you're going to see offers from all of the big offer companies, right? And you're going to be able to download different offers, play different games, do different tasks, right? And as you complete those tasks, you'll be able to generate some coins as well when you hit certain milestones. Now, this is a good way to make money or make coins, but the problem is some of them require you to jump through a lot of hoops in order for you to do that. So, for example, you might have to download a gym offer and put in your credit card details. You might have to download a game and reach a certain milestone before they give you coins. Some of them require you to download an app and put, reach a certain stage in the app before they give you some coins. So there are a lot of things that you have to do, but if you don't mind taking the time to do it, you can make some pretty decent coins here. Okay, now let's talk about referring friends. So you can, of course, refer some friends and make a little bit of money. Look at this. Get 15% of all your referral earnings for life on your friend's account, which is kind of cool. Okay. So if you want to recommend this to your friends or make a YouTube video, you can do that as well. Now let's talk about how much money you can really make. We're going to go to the reward section. Okay. Now currently they pretty much only have Amazon gift cards, PayPal, Zalando, and that's pretty much it. All right. Now you can see right here the worth of the coins, right? So 2,500 coins is equal to 25 US dollars. All right. So it's roughly about, like I mentioned earlier, 100 coins is $1. Okay. So that's basically how it works. So $25 is a minimum threshold to withdraw through PayPal. That's very high for a GPT website. All right, the lower one would be an Amazon gift card, which is not as good as cash, but it's still pretty good because you can buy a lot of things on Amazon. Is 1,500 coins, which is $15, still pretty high. Okay, most GPT websites is about $5 to $10. Here it's much higher. All right, so if you want cash, you have to play until you get $25 worth of coins, 2,500 coins. Now, how long is that going to take you? Okay, well, here's basically how this works, right? If you do a combination, okay, of downloading the offers, playing the surveys, and playing the games, you can expect to earn between 80 cents and $1 for every hour that you put in to a GPT website. Sometimes a little bit less, okay? It just depends on your luck, because sometimes you get to fill out some good offers, good surveys, and sometimes you get to play some good games and you might make a little bit extra. But that's on average, 80 cents to $1 per hour. So if you spend maybe 2 hours or 3 hours a day on PolePay, you could expect to earn anywhere from $1 to $2. It just depends on the day. Okay, maybe a little bit more. You might be able to earn $3, but realistically, it's about $1 to $2 a day. Okay, so if you're spending a few hours a day, every single day on PolePay, for the month, you're looking at about $30, maybe $50 to $60. But by the way, $50 to $60 is on the very high side. Okay, so don't really expect that. Most people will earn about $30, maybe even less, $20 a month on a GPT website like PolePay. Now, this is pretty normal. Okay, GPT websites are not designed to make you rich. They're designed to give you a little bit of extra money for your time, your trading time for money here, right? Because they can't really pay you that much for free offers and free surveys and playing free games. That's just the business model. Unfortunately, they cannot pay you that much money. But the good thing about PolePay is that now that it's been taken over by Inbox Dollars, it is 100% legit and it's global, which is nice. Okay, you might just need to give it a little bit of time because they're still on the transition phase right now. PolePay used to be pretty crap, honestly, but now it's pretty good. Okay, you just need to give it a bit more time, but if you want to check it out, you can. I think that the threshold is very high. There are a lot of other GPT websites out there that have a lower threshold, like Free Cash, for example. Free Cash is a really good one. Free Cash, you can earn a little bit more than $1 per day. I would say Free Cash because they pay a little bit higher. And they just run things a little bit better here. A lot of offers, a lot of games, a lot of surveys. You can see right there alone. I mean, Monopoly, $147 potentially, right? Free Cash, you can get to about $5 a day. It's possible. Okay, maybe even $7 a day if you really hustle and put in the hours. It's still not a ton of money, right? If you think about it, $5 a day, what is that? That's times 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's about $150 a month. It's still not life-changing income, but it's better than 30 bucks a month, if that makes sense, okay? So if you want to check it out, you can. PolePay, not too bad, all right? I still think that they're going through some changes. If you want to check it out, you can head over to polepay.app. And that's where you can access it. Now, if you're here watching this video right now, maybe you're looking for a way to make big money online, and on this channel, I have researched and reviewed and tested hundreds and hundreds of different strategies to make money. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly, right? I have literally spent thousands of my dollars testing out different strategies to make money online. And out of all of the good ones, there is one strategy that I used to actually quit my full-time job in 2019. So I use it to quit my job. I haven't worked a job since 2019, and I 5 times my old corporate salary. I generate multiple 5 figures every single month with this strategy. It's a great strategy. I think it's really good for beginners. It's global, and it's a really good way to earn income if you've never even made a cent online. If you want to check it out, I've got a free masterclass that shows you how to do it step by step, and you can check it out just by clicking the link all the way at the bottom. All right? I wish you all the best, and I hope to see you on another video review. See you soon. Take care.